right, let's get it. I'm going to change that alternator right there. This is a 2013 Hyundai Veloster Remix, and I'm going to give it a new alternator. First thing we need to do though, we'll need to disconnect this battery. Disconnect the battery, and then we're going to take it from there. Alright, so I believe the next step, we're going to have to disconnect this connector, and then there's one down here. So let's get that done. There's one. Alright. Now we need to take off this power cord. I believe that's a 12 millimeter. Yep. Take that off there. Bam. Alright. Okay. So next we're going to loosen this 12 millimeter bolt, and then loosen this 12 millimeter bolt. Okay, now this should start moving. Oh, actually, I forgot to take this connector off. My bad, that should have been done first. There's a 14 millimeter bolt right down in there. We got to get that bad boy off too. Alright, after you got all those bolts off and you got it loosened up, you can take this belt off. You can just set it to the side here. Okay, so now we need to take off these two 12 millimeters. plate off. Set that to the side. Okay. Let's get this bolt off. And kind of move it back and forth. Loosen that bad boy up. Alright. So after you get that plate off, you gotta kind of wiggle the old alternator back and forth to get it loose and able to come out. But here's the old one. Alright, let's go grab the new one. Okay, so one trick I learned from a guy online, you want to kind of put this screw in a little bit before putting it back in place here. So you can do this and then kind of move it back and forth, or get a hammer and lightly tap it. But I think it's in place there. All right. Got the belt back on there. New alternator. Connections are all back in there. All right, let's try to fire this puppy up. See what happens. Okay, new alternator's in. See if that battery light stays on like it was before. No battery light. Successful. Success.